DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Jaguar F-Pace. It's a 2 litre diesel R-Sport, absolutely fantastic condition with a huge amount of spec on it. Finished in Italian Firenze red. It's all de-chromed, as you can see. Got the full black pack on it. Gloss black alloy wheels. Absolutely lovely in this colour. This is very rare. Side steps, they're deployable, so they actually retract back in and the door's not open electrically. You've got privacy glass to the rear, rear park distance control, all-wheel drive, twin exhaust. Look at that, absolutely stunning car. Panoramic roof. Electric tailgate. Boot area is in lovely condition. We've got the parcel shelf. Got a full leather interior with white stitch piping. Electric windows, mirrors, all in lovely condition. See the panoramic roof. It's only done 69,775 miles. Starts and drives lovely. Paddle shift on the gearbox. Lane assist. Cruise control. Lovely there, that R-Sport steering wheel. Satellite navigation. Park distance control with camera, heated seats, 3-stage heated seats. Let's put the audio on. Bluetooth connectivity, DAB, different driving, all-wheel drive styles. Aux and USB, absolutely stunning looking car. Lovely place to sit. Show you the retractable side steps there, they're coming in and out. Show you that again. See how they went retracted back into the car. At DJH, we provide full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.